Hi everyone, and welcome back to Trade Precision. It's Thursday morning, and I'm getting ready to take a short trade here in the euro. And I've got the oil chart up there. We took an oil trade earlier, and we got stopped out on it. And now we're trying a euro trade to see how we do on that. The trading room opened up. The call room opened up at about 9 o'clock Eastern time this morning. It's usually open 9 to 2:30, and we call either support or resistance. If you look at our charts, we have no indicators on the charts. We don't use indicators at all, and we just look at we have a way of decoding the charts, to determine true support and true resistance. It doesn't always work, like I found out in the last trade. There, we got filled on this one. It's not the Holy Grail, but it works a high percentage of the time. And you can see right here now, it's actually like stopped at my price for a little bit, which is pretty good. So maybe we'll get something to go here. We'll see. We're up a tick already. Can't beat that. So now, welcome everybody. Like I say, we don't talk much about the methodology that we use in the room. But we teach that, but we just want you to get familiar with the trades that we take, or the calls that we make, and see how accurate we are on picking support and resistance. And it's not every day, but we're usually pretty good. This week has been very, very good to us. Tuesday and Wednesday were really good, and we'll see what we do today. But not looking good on this trade either, so we could start out 0 for 2 this morning. And we had our entry there, and we'll just see. We're one tick away from being stopped out. We went with a 10-tick stop. The end of last week, we had to go with bigger stops, and possibly that could make a difference here. Possibly, I don't know, but possibly, could that maybe we need to go back to our bigger stops. Maybe towards the end of the week, the volatility. That's not the right word, but the size of the bars you can see get fairly good size, and that's what determines. It's not fair to try and go with a 10-tick stop if the bar size is getting a whole lot bigger. There, we got stopped out on that one. Jeez. It looked like a pretty good entry on it on the euro, and we did real good on the euro yesterday. And we did good with crude oil yesterday too. So, well, the thing with this setup is, we just have to take the next trade, because you never know when the next trade is going to be the home run. And we're looking again at, we've got the euro up there on the one side, but we're looking at, crude, and we're looking at a short in crude possibly setting up here. I've got my order placed. It's down way low, and that's why I placed the order a while back. And that's what I try to do, so that I could be near the front of the queue. There's only a few contracts, it looks like, but maybe down at our price, there could be a whole lot more. You should see this order come up in just a little bit. We're looking at like 98.12 is where we're looking to get in. There it is. Okay. So this is we're looking for this thing to bounce there at 98.12. And we'll see what it does. Like I said, it's not been the best start this morning, but we always look to take the next trade. The methodology, it's got a high percentage, a high win percentage, but that doesn't preclude you from getting a couple losses in a row and then going on a long streak of winning trades. You never know. Each individual trade, you got to judge it individually. But the thing is that you just got to take the trades. You just got to take the trades. You don't know which one's going to be the home run. So anyway, enough sermonizing. The way we run the room, we keep it open. And there's a 5-day free trial. We're open Monday through Friday, from 9 until 2:30, and then after that, and then we're filled. Okay, we're filled on this, and then after that, Mario comes into the room and. With the people that own the system, that know the system already, and this isn't going good right now to start. It's not a good day. But you can't give up. You got to keep taking the trade. There, we're one tick away, and they were stopped out. I was going to say, and Mario can explain what's going on and why we take the trades that we take, and we go over things, and one thing you'll see here, like we're not proud of our losing trades, but we realize it's part of the game, and we do show the losing trades on these videos. We talk about them in the room or whatever. We're setting up. We're trying again now here. It's my fourth trade of the day, and it's a little after 12, and we're going to try for another euro trade on the 6E. We're looking for it to come down to support at 1.4205. You can see the orders in there. We're coming down towards our price. And let's see if this thing is going to come down some more. Let's see if we can get this thing to come down some more, get to our price. We're almost there. Like I said, you can see what that oil did there. That oil just kind of like bounced out of this world on us. So, we're stuck with that. Here we are. We're coming down now. One tick away, and they were filled, and they were going against me right away. Not good. Not good. But we'll see. We'll see what this thing does. But the thing is, now it's looking better. Now it's looking a little bit better. But you just got to keep taking the next trade. Back to our entry price. Down a little bit. Looks like we took like about 4 ticks of heat on this one. 4 ticks. So we'll see what this thing does as we go along with it. But you're welcome to come to the room for the free trial. We'll be open tomorrow. And here we're just like 2 ticks away from our first profit target. And let's see how we do on this. We're getting close. 1 tick away. Story of my life. Come on. Oh, had some difficulty with the recording there. So you got to take my word for it that we did fill on that trade. That call did work out. And what I'm showing now is what I talk about. I'm sorry about that. I don't know what happened, but something screwed up on the recording. I must have hit a wrong button in my excitement to have a winning trade. But I'm just trying to show here that's the pivot high or the swing high, and that's what I say a lot in the room. That's what the more experienced traders are looking for, and we're going to try and figure out how we're going to do this, for the room to make it, more. It's hard for me to be all things to all people, so we might just go with just one contract, and when we get our plus 10, and then let you guys manage the trade from there. We'll give you ideas on it. But we're going to just let you guys do it. So, like I said, the room will be open tomorrow at about 2:30. Afterwards, maybe not on Fridays because we like to get out of there. We put in a long, hard week this week, and we appreciate all the people that have shown up and all the people that have signed up for the room. It's been really pretty heartening to see the people that have come and joined us. And we'll try to keep doing this as best we can as we go along. I'll take that phone call in just a second, but let me finish up here and see. This is President Obama there. I just wanted to show that we got there and we got up and we went past the pivot there. I'll catch that in just a second. And now we're going up to the, and just to show you that's why we stay in a trade. Gosh, the phone call distracted me, and I have to return it. So anyway, we were 1 for 4 today, but the one was a pretty good trade here on the euro, and we'll come back hard tomorrow. We just got to maintain focus and wait for the right trades, and we get them all day long. So we'll see how it goes from there. So thanks a lot for your attendance, and thanks a lot for watching the videos. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call or send me an email, or same thing with Mario, and look at our website. And we look forward to working with you again tomorrow. Thanks a lot, everyone. Have a good night.